Is your printer smudging, wrinkling paper, or showing a fuser error? That usually means your printer's fuser isn't working properly. The fuser is the part that uses heat to bond toner onto the paper. First, restart your printer. Turn it off, unplug it, wait a few minutes, and power it back on. Next, check your paper settings. Make sure the paper type matches what you're using. Carefully open the back panel and check for stuck paper or toner buildup. Be careful. The fuser gets extremely hot, so let it cool first. Clean any loose toner using a soft, dry cloth. Avoid liquids. If the problem continues, you may need to replace the fuser unit. Always use the correct paper type and avoid low-quality paper to prevent future issues. Follow for more quick printer fixes and troubleshooting tips.